our first episode of our English project, and we are going to talk about the engine tuning. So what is the engine tuning? The engine tuning is an adjustment modification of the internal combustion engine, or better known as the ECU, the engine combustion unit. This adjusts to a G performance, and this should increase the power output, the economy, and the durability.
Hello guys, I'm going to talk about the possible problems with the procedure that we make a few minutes. Okay, with this procedure as a possible problems there is no one, because a racing octane is a procedure that makes the power of the engine more efficient. You can get this result with a few money, and this is basically to put the additive into the full tank and wait a few minutes when the mixture, the combust, the fuel and an additive, they mix, and you can get more horsepower.
For this episode, we are going to talk. We are going to use octane booster, that is a additive for the fuel tank. This octane booster is going to increase the octane level in the fuel. This is for increase the performance of the engine and save more fuel. For this test, we are going to use a Volkswagen Golf with an engine 1.4 with the technology DSI, and this vehicle uses premium gasoline. And for use it is very simple. You only have to open the valve and drag directly to the fuel tank. To drag the valve, you only have to open the base of the fuel tank and drop it.
For the next step of this procedure, we just have to turn on the engine of the vehicle. This will be because we have to make a mixture with the gasoline and the octane booster. So we just have to open the door and get in the car, turn on the engine, and wait 1 minute because we have to be sure that the mixture have to be well. So we will wait 1 minute more or less, and we will continue. Now, just to prove that this is a good way to make an engine tuning and that this is a good octane booster, we're going to make a race between these two cars. We expect that the car that we use to make the engine tuning will win.